Welcome to Madison Liquidators, and thank you for your order. We're excited to help furnish your workspace. In this quick video, we'll walk you through what to expect when your furniture arrives and how to make delivery day a breeze. Most of our furniture ships by freight and arrives on a pallet. Depending on the delivery service you selected at checkout, the experience may vary a bit, so let's break it down. If you chose standard delivery, you'll need a forklift or pallet jack to unload the shipment from the truck. Don't have that? No problem. That's where liftgate service comes in. It means the carrier will lower your shipment to the ground for you. For additional help, Inside Delivery Service will move your shipment inside the first threshold of your building. For home deliveries, the shipment is likely brought into your garage. With Inside Delivery, there must be a flat path of entry without any stairs present. Need a little extra help? Our white glove service delivers the boxes inside and even takes them to the room of your choice. For a complete, hassle-free setup, Madison Liquidators also offers delivery and assembly in select areas. Delivery and assembly service is not available in all locations. If the service is offered in your area, you'll see it as an option during checkout. Once your order arrives, the driver will hand you a delivery receipt. You'll also find a packing slip in a clear envelope taped to the pallet. Hang on to both. They'll help you verify everything was delivered as expected. Before signing anything, take a moment to inspect the boxes. Walk around the pallet. Check for anything that looks off, like tears, dents, or scuffs. If you see any damage, just note it on the delivery receipt before you sign. No stress. It helps us help you faster if something needs to be fixed. Next, count the boxes and make sure the number matches your paperwork. If anything's missing, jot it down on the delivery receipt and let us know. Now you're ready to sign and start settling into your new setup. But before you install anything, do a quick check inside the boxes within 48 hours just to be sure everything arrives safe and sound. In the rare event you find damage, don't worry. Just keep the packaging, take a few photos, and contact our support team. Thanks again for choosing Madison Liquidators. We're proud to support your business, and we're here if you need anything.